Welcome to the heart of North Bethesda, and this view is home to one of the most unique condos you'll ever find. It's 2 blocks from Whole Foods. It's just another block to Pike Rose, movie theater, bowling alley, restaurants, the metro. It's all right here, and this is your view every single day, but only if you live here. So you're finished looking at the condo, and I'm just out here on the terrace, and I'm enjoying the sunlight, the fresh air, and this is a world-class view, a world-class property. And when you have that, not only does it increase the value of the property, it's also healthier. It's healthier for you to live in a space like this, especially in a condo. Amazingly, Whole Foods is just 1 block in that direction, and 3 blocks the other way is Pike and Rose, bowl, restaurants, watch a movie, you name it, the metro, it's all right here. So these are rare properties. I want you to come experience it firsthand. So schedule a time to come out and see it today, and this can be your home. You don't have to watch it on video. You can live here every single day.